Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is video editorial for the problem Japanese cities attribute. The problem we'll be solving using SQL queries, right? To be precise, we'll solve it using where statement. So problem statement is query or select all attributes of Japanese city, right? Attributes mean again same thing, all the columns. All right, you can call it columns, fields, attributes, all mean the thing, same things in the context of this table, right? So we have to select everything from city table, right? For Japanese city, right? So how do you know which city is Japanese city? Using the country code, right? Country code is there in this city table. So the country code of Japan is JPN. So we have to select everything from city table by applying a certain condition. As soon as you hear that you have to apply certain condition, you know that you have to apply where statement. All right. Second thing, which a second question you should ask, on which column should I apply the condition? It already tells you on the country code because we want to print all of the Japanese cities. So of course, I have to find Japanese cities, and that you can find using the country code. So for each city, each Japanese city, its country code would be JPN. Right. So what do we have to do? First of all, we have to select all the attributes. That means we have to select every single uh, column, right? How do we write that? So we'll do select. We have to select every column. So we can simply write star. Select star from which city? Sorry. So from which table? City table. So from city table. Now we will apply the condition. If you remember, this is how we write condition. First we'll write the select statement. After that we'll write conditions. How do you write that? You write where and then column name and whatever condition you would like to apply there. So where, on which column we want to apply the conditions? On country code. So where country code is equals to Japan. First of all, if you see, country code is varchar. Varchar means character array, you can understand, or a string, you can understand it like that. So this is a string, right? So its value, you will write either in single quotes, Japan is JPN, JPN, or you can write the same in double quotes, doesn't matter. Okay, up to you. JPN. So we want to select everything from city table for Japanese country. So country code should be equals to JPN. This is my this is overall query string looks like. Okay, so if we run it, we should get, yeah, we are able to get the correct answer. All right, so just submit it. Hopefully we won't run into some errors. Okay, there's only one test case and it passes comfortably. So you see, this is how you solve this problem. So we had to select everything from city table. That's what we wrote first. Write this select query and then apply the condition. So where we only had one condition, that country code should be equals to Japan, and that's exactly what we wrote here. All right. So yeah, this is how you solve Japanese cities attribute problem from HackerRank. So yeah, this is it for this editorial. Let's meet in the next lecture. Until then, keep coding. Thank you.